Medicine is my lawful wife, and literature is my mistress. Anton Chekhov, a physician by profession, a popular playwright, and a short story writer, he was born in 1860 in Russia and he died in 1904. His stories are relevant pieces and popular. He is considered of a greatest short story writer of all the time. Today we are going to discuss one of such classic play of him, that is The Proposal. It is a one act play. It begins when Lomov, he is a young 35-year-old neighbor who's entering to other neighbor's house, Tubov, Tubokov. Alright. And then what happens is Lumov was well suited, very smart and handsome, and he's a 35-year-old boy, and he thinks that this is the right time for me to get married because he suffers from palpitations and he also cannot sleep well. So what he goes is he goes to Chukov house, and as he was, I told you earlier, he was extremely well dressed and everything. So Lomov जो था, सॉरी, जो चूकॉफ था वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुआ है और बहुत ज़्यादा एस्टॉनिश हो गया एकदम से लोमफ को देखकर कि यार ये कितना हैंडसम बना हुआ है एंड एवरीथिंग। पर वो एक सेकंड के लिए डर भी गया कि ये शायद वो पैसे मांगने के लिए आया जो मैंने इससे उधार लिए हुए थे। लेकिन लूमोव एकदम से रिवील कर देता है कि यार आई एम हेयर टू आस्क फॉर नतालियास मैरिज, आई वांट टू मैरी हर। बहुत ज़्यादा वो खुश हो जाता है चूकॉफ, बहुत ही जस्ट गेट्स फिल्ड विद एक्साइटमेंट एंड जॉय। तो इतने में वो जाता है कि मैं नतालिया को बुला के लाता हूँ। तो एकदम से नतालिया कम्स एंड दे ग्रीट ईच अदर, यू नो, एंड दे आर लाइक वेरी गुड टर्म्स इन विद ईच अदर. So they start chit chatting and everything. So what happens when they were chatting and everything, there is a land which is known as Oxy Meadows, which came up. It's a disputed property actually. So what happens when both of them were chatting now? So this topic arised, and they got into a fight kind of debate and everything, that this piece of land belongs to me, Natalia says, and then he says, Lomov says, no, it belongs to us. It was given on rent to you guys, but you have never returned and everything. They just had they just had a heated debate and arguing and everything. And इतने में ही चूबोकॉफ वापस आता है, and what he says is कि वो भी साथ में ना आर्ग्यू में अंदर उसके साथ शुरू हो जाता है और आर्ग्यू गेट्स मोर इंटेंस एंड इंटेंस. So Chubokov says Lomov to get out of the house, and Chubokov just feels, he's like, there's just no point in, you know, arguing with them, and he just leaves. So Chukubov and Natalia, they started talking about him, कि he's that kind of a person and everything, and this land belongs to us, not to him and everything. So what happens is कि Chubokov told Natalia that he actually came here with a purpose, and that purpose was that he wanted to marry you. So he came here to ask for a marriage proposal. Natalia got surprised and she actually started panicking and to call him back. She was like, please call him, I'm interested in him. Chubokov then realized that, oh my god, why I am a father of a young beautiful girl. You know, he actually cursed himself for being a father of a young beautiful girl. So Lomov returned, and then Natalia started talking about shooting and everything. They forgot about that land debate and everything, and they started about other topics, and they started chatting and everything. Then again, Natalia was, you know, a kind of a kiddish girl and everything. So what happened when they were talking now, so a topic about their dogs came up. All right. So Natalia was like that her dog, whose name is Squeezer, he's far may more better than Lomov's dog, whose name is Guess. So they started again arguing like kids, that mine's better, yours better, and everything like that. And then suddenly Lomov actually fall because of his palpitations. He fainted. Natalia noticed that he's unconscious. So what happened? Natalia actually thought that, you know, he died. Oh my god, because he is just not moving, he was unconscious. Chukov tried to wake him up, gave him water, but there was no response. Alright. So what happened? Suddenly Lomov moved the bed. And then Chubukov handed the Natalia's hand into Chobukov's hand, and he was like, you both, God bless you, now kiss each other, have a good happy life. And then finally comes to his senses, and he started kisses Natalia when Lomov come to his senses, and he's like, यार यार ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. Lomov was like, what is this happening, you know, when he came to his senses, why his hand is in my hand, and then he actually realized, all right, so I came here to ask for a proposal, and now they are, you know, accepting it and everything. So what did he finally come to his senses, and he kissed Natalia. And then Natalia, you know, he was like, she's like a छोटा सा प्यारा सा बच्चा who just loves to argue and everything, कि ये मेरा है. She said at the time when Lomov kissed Natalia that Squeezer is better than Guess, and then the scene ends. The scene ends, and this is actually shows that it's a one-act comedy that stereotypes the absurd and trivial nature of human interactions, especially in the context of marriage. It was a funny, beautiful scene. The end, guys.